Good morning, lovely people. I am in the heart of Nueva Andalucia today, and I am delighted to present you the stunning townhouse that we just got for sale with Plexo Properties at 990,000 euros. The house has been completely renovated and only the highest quality materials used in here, from German appliances for the kitchen to double glazed windows and underfloor heating. This is what I call a grand ensuite. You have everything in here, from natural light beaming through from the top to very amazing, stunning bathtub, and even the mirrors. They're very versatile. You have everything from light to Alexa plane to even the heated mirrors. And if you are a golf lover, this house is perfect for you. Why? It's because the Los Naranjos, one of the most famous golfs of them all, is just around the doorstep. 50 square meters of a lovely garden space. This is a low maintenance, and on one side we've got the designated barbecue area, and most importantly, the door behind me leads you directly to the communal pool. This is an exquisite house located in a stunning gated community. If you're curious and if you want to get more information, call us and we're going to be delighted to show you around.